Hi, my name is Scarlett. I'm a veterinary nurse from East Sussex in England. About a year ago, my external hard drive stopped working, which was disappointing because I'd always kept it in a hard case and I generally took really good care of it. I went to my local computer repair shop thinking it was an easy fix because I didn't know much about any of this stuff, but sadly there was nothing that they could do. I was pretty devastated, to be honest, because every picture I'd ever taken was on this hard drive, amongst other things, and I thought all these precious memories were gone forever. I had a look online and then I found PITS. They got in touch really quickly, and the next day I dropped off my hard drive. The whole process was really easy, and after 3 weeks, everything's back. All my pictures, all my documents, everything is back as it was, and I'm just so grateful. I would recommend you guys to anyone watching this video. I'm just so happy that they've been able to recover everything. I really am. Thank you.